Hi, welcome back to PLR Knowledge Center. And in this section, we'll see the second part of tree view construction using jQuery. Let's get into the demonstration. So this is what the stuff we have written earlier to build the basic structure of having this stuff. So just browsing this sample.html, you will get this structure. Now, how to beautify this? So if you look at here, I can see this is what kind of the filled circle, and this is a kind of white circle, and this is a rectangle, and this is white circle, and this is block circle, and these are again white circles, and again this is block rectangle. This is how it is displaying here by default another list and list items. And if you wanted to make them as kind of beautification, if you wanted to do that, we need to do some styling for this. So for this, what we need to do was we need to write some styling here. Let's do that. I'm going to add some styling here. So under this head tag, um, I'm going to add some styling part here. So this is style tag I'm adding. Now in this styling, so this is the ID I'm yeah, so using it for another list. This is the parent and node, right? Level one, and this entire list items, this entire stuff is representing using this UI, right? And this UI ID was a tree, and I'm going to write a style for this particular tree. So hash tree and this and the tree I'm going to apply. If you look at under this tree, we have another list, right? So this is one set of another list, and this is one more set of another list, right? So under this tree node of another list, so I have some sub another list items as well. So for them also I'm going to apply some styling, because if you look at here, so this is something I wanted to remove this particular symbols, right? So almost if you look at here, the style which we are not defining here by default, it is showing something different like a circle and rectangle, and we wanted to hide them. So hence I'm giving tree view comma and hash tree another list, and for this, so this is what the ID I'm taking, and under that, so I'm referring another list items. This another list items, I'm going to specify the style list hyphen style hyphen type is none. Okay, so if you can run this and see here how it is look like your items. Now look at here. So all the before no content content before and the symbols was disappeared. Now it is showing as normal text, right? And in a similar way, I wanted to showcase when I click on here level one, I'm going to hide these elements. Okay, if you look at here, this is what the level one class I have provided here. So what you need to do here, tree and that expand. Okay, so in this, I'm going to write the CSS for the another list. So tree under this particular tree and expand clause, and in that I'm referring another list. This I'm going to say display none. Okay. So if you apply this and run, you will see that only another list under that tree or another list node was disappeared, because you said that property was display none. Now you see only level 1 and level 2 and level 3. This is what the prime order, first level order. So where by default we can see first level nodes, and expanding or clicking on that relevant node, I'm going to display other kind of stuff. Okay. Now, I wanted to display some expand button before this level 1, level 2, and level 3. That way I can have a correct UI for the end user to click on that. So now let's look at this style part here. I'm going to add one more class, tree dot expand class. Okay. Before that means it is going to add this style for this style before of your expand nodes. This is what expand nodes we have basically wherever we have mentioned expand class here, and before those elements content, whatever style I'm applying here, that is going to be applied. So here what I'm going to do was I'll just say some content here. Let's say like a that's what the content I wanted to display here. If you save it and go and check here, look at here, A was displayed before your content level 1 and level 2, and why level 3 is not displaying? Go back to your code, and expand class was given for level 1 and level 2 but not for level 3, right? Hence it is not showing for the level 3, right? Because we have subnodes and child nodes only for level 1 and level 2 but not for level 3. Okay, now instead of displaying a static text or no kind of a text, I wanted to display uh, some a symbol. Let's Yeah, no, I got it. So plus symbol here. Okay. And you just change the font size if you wanted to make bigger. Let's say 20 pixel. Now go and see here. It's a bit little bit it's somewhat increased the size of the content what we added before the level 1 and level 2, right? So this is how it looks like if you wanted to provide a plus icon before and after. And if you wanted to showcase the minus after expanding this, so we need to write one more class here, uh, tree and expand. I think we'll before and we'll write one more content. Let's say content. So I think 2296 was another set of number where it displays minus symbol here. And the font size again I'll keep as is, like 20 pixel, and close it. And now when you showcase this, it is showing minus. Oops, why? Yeah, so because it's wall writing, because I mentioned this is the before and same thing I mentioned it here, right? So we must specify this, a class something different. That's where it is going to display this minus, right? I'm going to say this as collapse, and now browse it. Yeah. So now how this plus is displaying for the expand more nodes. When I click on this or expanding this, I wanted to showcase the collapse style. So let's look into that part in next session. So how we are going to write in code for clicking or expanding this stuff and showcase the chain nodes. Okay. Thanks for listening this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.